We're on the dollar CAD on the daily time frame, and we have a trend continuation opportunity on the 240. So this is a big trade, guys. What we have is our swing up here. We've seen a move lower, and if I put a structure level on just here, we've violated multiple levels of structure here. And if we go to the 240, we've had a second chance entry trade. So what that is, we had a 3-point move, and we've now pulled all the way back up to this outside return just here, and within that outside return it's given us a big lower low, lower close candle. Now here's the thing, it's a lot of risk, it's about 80 pips. What you can do is we're setting up here a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, violation, indication of a rotation, pullback, and a chance to maybe get short, maybe down to this level, maybe down for a complete retest. So, or what you can do is take the opportunity that you have right now, simple trend continuation trade, and if we work out what the risk to reward is on this trade, stops must go an ATR above the high here, because remember, if you remember the educational material, we can only get tighter stops when we have a rotation pattern, so like a double top or a head and shoulders, something like that. And so I've got an ATR above the high here, which is 20, sorry, an ATR above the outside return here, which is 21. I've got my stop too far back. Okay, ATR is 22. I want to be 52. Oh, okay. Saved a few pips there. So the risk on this trade, 77, and the reward, if we can get it right, we're looking at 127. As I say, if you want to wait for the head and shoulders, give you a better reward to risk if it comes off. I'm just going to go back out to the dailies here. So I'm actually looking that the market can come down to this level, maybe even a little bit further, to be honest with you. But here on the dailies, you can see I'm not playing for the exact lows. So this is a big trade, could be in this for a week or two. Would be nice for this thing to rally down and hit those targets. And we are back for the update on this trade, and I'm very pleased to say that we have now rallied down and hit those targets. I've just checked, and the total amount of pips banked was actually 129. So a lovely opportunity. I did say in the first part of this video that we could be seeing a head and shoulders. I'm just going to go, but we never got the head and shoulders. I'm just going to go to the 240, and we did actually have an earlier entry just right here. If you can see it, a lower low, lower close that did meet the rules specified in the educational material. However, I personally just wanted to see this level violated, and we got that, and this was then the next lower low, lower close candle, and then we got the follow through. So what a beautiful trade for 129 pips.